Good morning, I'm Mike Capuccio. Today we're here in North Andover, Massachusetts to do a indoor ductless mini split head cleaning.
The N.E.T.R clean system uses specialized air conditioner cleaning equipment, or SACE, a patented cleaning system made in Australia. It uses high-pressure warm water to clean the evaporator coils in your ductless heating and air conditioning indoor unit. First, we start by removing the filters and front panels of the air conditioner to expose the evaporator coils. We then attach a drain bag under the unit to catch the water. The drain bag is attached to a hose, which leads to a sealed container to catch the dirty water as it comes off of your air conditioner. We then pre-treat the evaporator coils with a micro-coil clean solution, which helps to wash the coils and kill any bacteria and mold. The evaporator coils are then washed with high-pressure warm water. The micro-coil clean solution is forced through the coils, and the coils are completely cleaned inside and out. Standard cleaning methods only wash the outside of the evaporator coils, whereas the N.E.T.R clean system thoroughly washes the coils and removes dust, dirt, bacteria, and mold that have built up inside the coils during use. Dirty water from the coils is caught by the drain bag and funneled to the container. The barrel fan inside the unit is also washed, without having to remove the fan from the unit. The barrel fan is commonly one of the dirtiest parts of the unit. The newly washed evaporator coils look almost brand new, just like when the ductless unit was first installed. A mold control spray is then applied to the evaporator coils and airflow vanes to help prevent mold buildup between cleanings. The air filters and external pieces of the air conditioner are then washed off outside. The ductless unit is allowed to dry, and then the vanes and panels are put back on.
Okay, so now I want to show you what came out of this machine. I'm going to pour this down the drain just so you do see what does come out of your air conditioner when we're complete. Okay, so now you can see it's all back together. It's shiny, it looks like brand new. As you've seen today, there's a series of things that we do when we do clean the unit with the cleaning agent, the anti-mold spray that we put on there, taking the pieces outside, cleaning the shells, cleaning the filters, and this unit's pretty much back to brand new, the way it was from day one when it came out of the box. Nice and safe and healthy and clean air that you're going to be breathing for the next year. So thank you very much and have a good day.